time when you were confused about something in your life? It could be being confused about what to eat for dinner, or maybe what subject you should choose in college. It could be about anything, or maybe try thinking about the time when you had mood swings or may had mixed emotions on certain things in life. If you think really hard about those moments, you would realize that it might have been difficult for you to channel your emotions in the right lane. You may have been scared about the consequences, or you might have been frustrated on yourself for not being able to take simple decisions of your life, or you might have been overthinking. Bipolar disorder is somewhat similar to this, but way more complicated and difficult to manage. Hello, my name is Astha, and you're watching News 47. Welcome to the Mental Health Series Part 4. And today we are going to discuss about one of the most confusing mental illness, that is bipolar disorder. Bipolar disorder is a condition in which a person experiences a sudden shift in mood and energy. It is different from the mood swings that an average person goes through. In bipolar disorder, a person does not only experiences two mood swings, but mixed episodes. Mixed episodes are also described as maniac or hypomaniac or depressive episodes with mixed emotions. When a person is suffering from bipolar episode, he or she may switch moods within seconds. 1 minute they can be full of energy, happy, excited, enjoying their life, and the very next moment they may be crying, over emotional or angry or agitated for no reason. They may feel like they haven't slept for days, may want a hug, but at the same time when someone touches them, they get irritated. Even the smallest of things can set off their anxiety and they are confused and they are depressed. Bipolar disorder includes extreme emotional highs, that is maniac, and the lows, that is depression. Symptoms or signs of mania bipolar disorders are lack of sleep but still energetic, reckless behavior, lack of concentration, rapid talking, racing thoughts, hallucinations in some cases. Whereas the symptoms of bipolar depression, that is low, are suicidal thoughts, irritability, low energy level, sleep issues, restlessness, etc. Treatment of bipolar disorder usually includes psychotherapy or medication. Psychotherapy includes learning to recognize mania or depression before they get out of hand, whereas in medication, mood stabilizers are often used to manage mood swings. If you feel happy at one moment and the next moment you are crying, does not mean you have bipolar disorder. The symptoms of bipolar disorder are more extreme than normal mood swings, and the mania and the depressive phase of bipolar disorder usually last a week or more. Another misconception about bipolar disorder is that people are usually happy in the mania phase. But no, it is usually scary and irritating because you are unable to stop or slow down your thoughts. A person with bipolar disorder has a very confusing personality, but it is important to recognize the symptoms and consult a doctor when it's serious. It is necessary to treat bipolar disorder because mental health is as important as physical health. That's it for today. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you.